Welcome to Section 6, the Knowledge Check of the MLA Works Cited Page Basics Workshop. In this section, we will recap important concepts about citing on the Works Cited page. Let's start with a quick review of the objectives. Hopefully, you have mastered them all and understand why MLA is used. Hint, as a roadmap to help readers find your sources. Next, you have learned the page formatting for the Works Cited page. You've learned the basics for citing books, citing articles, and citing websites. As a reminder, we use MLA citation format because it prevents plagiarism, lends authority to your writing, provides a consistent framework, and makes it easy for readers to locate your sources. A few concepts to keep in mind for formatting the Works Cited page are that it is a separate page or pages, it's the last page or pages of your essay, it's double-spaced throughout, the words Works Cited appear centered at the top, the citations use a hanging indent, and the citations are in alphabetical order by author's last name. Remember, MLA uses the container system, so you might want to keep a copy for your records. A few more concepts to keep in mind for citations is that most will have an author, a title, container 1 information, and if needed, container 2 information. As you complete your citations, remember that book titles, journal titles, database titles, and website titles use italics. Article titles and web page titles use quotation marks. You're probably asking yourself, how can I remember all that? Relax. This workshop covered the basics. There are many other types of sources you might need to cite, so be sure to check out some of the following resources. First, the library has several copies of the MLA handbook available. You can also access the Owlet Purdue MLA website or the Fullerton College Research 101 guide. Best of all, you can get help by asking a librarian or making an appointment with the Writing Center. You have plenty of support, so please reach out. And now, let's reflect on what you've learned.